This is the Linear Actuator Friction Force Interactive Calculator for Incline with Friction, which determines the force requirements for actuators operating on angled surfaces with friction. It determines the force requirements for actuators operating on angled surfaces with friction. Let's go through the inputs. First, select your unit system from the dropdown. You can choose metric with kilograms and degrees, or imperial with pounds and degrees. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Next, enter the weight in kilograms. This is the load your actuator needs to move. Then input the incline angle in degrees, which can range from 0 to 90. The friction coefficient, represented by mu, accounts for surface resistance and accepts values from 0 to 2. Finally, the actuator mount angle in degrees defines the actuator's installation angle relative to the surface, accepting values from -90 to +90. This field accepts values from -90 to +90. Now, let's look at a practical example. I'll enter 10 kilograms for weight, 10 degrees for incline angle, 10 for friction coefficient, and 10 degrees for actuator mount angle. After clicking Calculate, the tool computes the required actuator force, considering both gravitational and frictional components on the incline. The results show the precise force needed to overcome resistance and move your load effectively. Find the link in the description below.